Bella's workshop was fantastic today. I've done motivational workshops in the past, but it's been a long time since I've done one, and it's just great to kind of relearn some things I've learned in the past and kind of get that little motivational boost, especially with the motivational switches. It's things I've learned but haven't really put into practice, but the way Bella's kind of put it to us today, it's much simpler, it's very easy to do. It's just a few minutes a day, and you can completely switch your mindset to a very positive outlook on everything, which I think is very important. Everything in life really revolves around mindset, no matter what you do in what industry. My favorite mindset switch is probably actually music. I don't do it enough. I am very big into music, but I haven't really. I've been spending so much time listening to audiobooks, trying to improve my business skills, and just kind of learning and doing meetings, and just life's got in the way, or business has got in the way. So now when I'm in the car, and if I'm having a bad day, I'm going to make that 5 minutes to flick on a really good song that really inspires me and really kind of gives me a bit of a kick and puts a smile on my face, and will turn my day into the right direction, turn that frown upside down, as they say. So yeah, that's probably the most important thing for me. Today is going to affect my business in a positive way, because I've learned these little tricks to kind of turn a bad day back into a good day. Everyone has bad days or bad moments, can feel a bit low, get out the wrong side of the bed, whatever you want to call it. You can have negative thoughts, negative feelings, and with these mindset switches, you can kind of flick a switch, put a smile on your face, and you'll feel a bit more positive. And that's very, very crucial, I think, for anyone, especially myself. I have suffered with mental health issues in the past, something that I still struggle with a little bit now and again. But these mindset switches, these positivity exercises, they genuinely do help, and I can tell you that from experience. Well, Bella's workshop, I would recommend it to pretty much anyone, whether you think you're the most positive person in the world, or whether you think you're very low and your mindset's not great or where you want it to be. I think this has benefits for everyone. If you're in a negative mindset, Bella will certainly put a smile on your face. She'll certainly give you some tips and tricks and little exercises you can do to keep that smile on your face, or at least if you feel it going away, how to put it back on your face. And if you are really positive, generally you will have bad times or bad moments, and this is just a great way to kind of reset yourself and put yourself back to the way you normally feel.